wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back and I hit and smashing up. Yo, that mafia, you see what we doing today, man? We're back in the music lab, man. With who me there with? Huh? With Father Dippo, man. Mr. Kachiata Lie, Richard Lie. You don't know where they do it. Yeah, man. We're there with an artist, dancehall artist that's out right now, running the place. People say he running dancehall right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, one of the dopest dancehall artists out right now, doing his thing. You don't know, very consistent, full of lyrics, very talented, very versatile. Yeah, man, I'm talking about none other than Valiant. You know what I'm saying? Valiant dropped a music video a couple days ago on his new Vivo channel entitled Can't Choose. I should have been reacting to this. I didn't get around to it, but I'm getting around to it today and check it out and see what go on. I don't know, Valiant is very talented. And based off this video, I'm guessing he has a hard time choosing between girls. You know what I'm saying? Because him seem now in a bed with a bunch of girls. You know what I'm saying? So I'm guessing that's what you're talking. Unless he's talking about money, you know, property, going on them thing there. Yeah, from what I'm guessing, you look like him have a hard time for choose between girls. Last time, you know, 1942 did the same thing. So once her Valiant I deal with today, you see me what's going on. But yeah, man, like I said, Valiant, very dope artist, man. We enjoy reacting to Valiant over there. So you see me. So you already know we're gonna check this out. Yeah, man, that mafia, how y'all doing, man? I hope y'all been taking care of yourself. You don't know, I hope y'all staying lit, staying clean, staying fresh. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying your weekend, enjoying life. Oh, I hope you're taking steps. Damn, I'm gonna mash up my mic. I hope you're taking steps to your goals. I hope you're making every day count. You don't know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, and keep working, keep pushing, keep striving. You don't know, remember, follow your dreams. You see me? Great things take time. Make every day count. You see me? Yeah, man. So remember that shit. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we're gonna jump right in the track. This is Valiant, new track, Can't Choose. Let's get it. Whoa. Look at me, blood. Let me pull it back up.
Hi, baby. Hi, ladies.
One.
You know,
Gal them look good. Dally them out. They gal in your phone, but I want to hear, man. This man a chat to you. Thumb pepper on your nose. Sure. I want the advice I could have.
Yeah, but differently still, I can't myself for a reason still. You know, I love all around still.
Well, and upon the white people style, that kind of shoes in bed you dealing with, bro. What's going on, man?
This I try to say, I can't really choose which one I want to like, be my wife, like, I don't know which one I want to really be my wife.
Where says? Sometimes again, just really understand where I come from. Like, something alright. I really have to choose.
Basically.
Can't choose, you deaf? When the deaf man can't choose, you see me, man, they on like all around, the vibe, all around night. Me can't choose. Where you going to kill me? Me can't choose, bro. I want to. I'm not going to choose, me can't choose. Me not like that, mama, you're so nice still, you see me? Yeah, man, I like it in your phone at the beginning of the video. But you're nice still, you see me, you got a cute face, cute nose.
Oh, she calling me, she can't stop cause calling me, yeah.
You look at 9, the one I look at 9 still. Nah, man, years of the neng.
Me why you, I'm a can't choose.
Yeah.
Why you text on my phone and I argue?
Fact, bro, you want me can't choose. Don't call me argue, bro. Me be honest, can't choose, man. To all out.
Me why you, I'm a can't choose.
Yeah.
Too much girl for fuck, talk truth. Going in on the ears as if a settle down. Shanika tell me say she not let me go. Denise want swallow every cum. Different girl for different reason.
Yeah, that dog, respect for choose. You see me when girl out there do the things them, you know what I'm saying, you know? And them are the man right and thing, you know? So I expect man for you to like man I be on and can't choose, you know what I'm saying? Move over here someone got glare man and everything. You see me, I want to buy someone and everything I want me. Come on, man.
Your heart you won't live. Call my dog, she different one for call me, so I'm not gonna circle down. So she knows I'm a door, I know one. Just argue about my girl, I'm sure. Why you text on my phone and I argue?
But you see me, you mama gonna better now to blood 12:34. Boy, an hour and a half gone, no dog, no reach. Jaja.
Me want you,
Trouble, Valiant.
you, I'm can't choose. Too much girl for fuck, talk truth. Some love, every kind. Pussy my warm and not talk, both our belly size. Once the head is right.
Him man say, yo, pussy my warm. Me not talk about our belly size, as long as that head is right. Hey boy, Valiant, I just cried up. Ease yourself, partner.
England girl for the beach, them. Girl in a watch for the weekend. Me garrison girl and pussy decent. Me uptown girl with goggle reflex. She release track.
England girl for the beach, them. Me have a Ochi girl for the what? The girl see girl the pussy decent. And the uptown girl them now the reflex. Yo, I be hey, for real, though. I'll just get them from the also nothing. Me no say nothing. You see me?
I'm a squeeze breast. Hey. Me want you, I can't choose.
No, sir.
Too much girl for fuck, talk true. Me want you, I can't choose.
And don't force me to choose to. You see me? I'm wicked if you force me to choose to, man. I want to me can't choose. Give me some time. Me have to sort this out. I want to man.
Why you text on my phone and I argue? Me want you, I can't choose.
Some malo nice still now.
Too much girl for fuck, talk true. Me want you, I can't choose.
People knows. You see me? Yeah, man. She. I see you can she had the wife. You can look like she from the half of the video. I don't see alone. I see up the most. You see me? I say look like she had the wife, man. She get chosen, man.
Why you text on my phone and I argue? Me want you, I can't choose.
Your blood, your boop in the head. Easy. Yeah, man. Valiant. Yeah, man. Father Dippo. Yeah, man. Doing this thing. That is new track can't choose. Yeah, man. Read up track, man. Valiant did this thing. I think that's the same. It's not the same thing man went to in 1942. Like him drink 1942 and he couldn't choose between the slimmers and the thickers and the browning and the darkers. Is that what happened? Or am I mixing up songs? Yeah? But anyway, man, Valiant find himself in another predicament again. I guess he found a way to solve it at the end. Cause it seemed like him have a one day. Yeah, you see me one cat and then they play games like upon date night and things. So eventually look like the dog was eventually able to sort things out. Yeah, you see me? But yeah, man, another dope track from Valiant. He keep doing this thing, man. You know, Valiant very versatile, man, and really dope artist, man. I hope he keep doing this thing, keep growing. You don't know, and just take this as far as you can take it. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely doing his thing, man. You see me? And a lot of people say he run dancehall, and yeah, you can agree. You see me? And you can disagree, but yeah, I can say he definitely doing his thing. Definitely one of the hardest artists out. Definitely very sought after. You see me? Very versatile, very talented. You see me? Definitely one of the man. So Valiant doing this thing, keep doing your thing, dog. Shoot for the stars and go higher. You know what I'm saying? Don't stop at your time now. So just just use it well, man. Yeah, man, guys. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section. If you like it, good. Yeah, see me drop the comments in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let him know that Jambisco dancing you. I don't know. Until next time, guys. I don't know. Drop a request. If a request is chosen, we'll get you shout out and all that. You see me? I don't know. We do it over here, man. And we're going strong, guys, on our way to 10K. You already see this was the goal for this month, 500 subs. We are on our way to surpass that, man. And yo, next month we ain't doing no sub goal, because it look like when I do subs goal, it's like y'all just want to shoot for the minimum, man. So next month we're taking away all this sub goal and see how we do. Hopefully we can hit 1,000 subs or more. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man, we're doing that thing, guys. I appreciate y'all. We're going strong, man. Let's help your boy out with the likes. Hit the likes and share. And, we keep going strong. You don't know. You don't know, guys. Until next time, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here with a hit and a smashing a banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.